Investors. Welcome back to Pangari Investing. Today, it has been a while since last time I reviewed my portfolio progress, and I just kind of want to get over and make some review of how my portfolio has been performing. Um, Usually, the day nothing big happening. The market's still pushing very nicely, and my portfolio value are still on a constant upside. Um, I also got bored sometimes, and I play options such as this one. Later this week, I played some lost and bounced back up, but I try to maintain my portfolio is better than the S&P 500, which is my goal in here. So daily, I want to perform at least couple percentage more than how the S&P 500 move. Just some recap on the market today. We got the S&P 300 pulled quite a little because of quiet and not so good earnings on Goldman Sachs and Citi. We got also several important earnings tomorrow, which is like Bank of America, UNH, Johnson Johnson, and all that fun stuff. We also got the more three more weeks. Within 3 weeks, we're gonna have a lot of constant earnings report, and it's gonna be a lot of things gonna happen in the market. We also have one of those Chinese U.S. trade talk gonna happen. I think later this week. But enough of the news talk, and let's review my portfolio value and what's been changing, what's been happening. First, here if we take a look at is Costco first. This is the services sector. This is the retailer. Costco has been performing really well for the past performance. One of my top five biggest holding here in this account. I'm up 16%. I own one share, 246.33. This is my hospitality. LVS Las Vegas Sands. I own one share, 66.53. This is Alibaba, down quite 3% today. On one share, 183.97. I got Disney. This one is another service. This is suddenly my favorite. I think since on Friday they have like Investor Day, which is where they release the Disney Plus, which is a streaming service that they did that challenges the other streaming services companies such as Netflix or Amazon and Apple streaming service. That's why it has a huge gap that I mentioned probably several times in this channel. I know it has been attacking the resistance here, and finally it broke out, and that's excuse me, and that's where it makes such a huge impact in the business. This is one of my top five holding as well, and one of my biggest gain. I'm up 21% there. I own two share Disney, 263.96. Moving on to the technology sector, I have Microsoft MSFT, one share, 121.05. Facebook FB, one share, 179.65. This is NVDA, one share, 184.72. This is AT&T, which is my largest holding. I own 10 share, $320.20. $320.20. This one, they just released I don't know if there's Game of Thrones fans here, but this company own HBO, and they control all the services, all the streaming services. And I just think this movement is just really profitable for this company, and their acquisition of Time Warner as well. So that's just quick news on that. I'm up 8%, so pretty sweet. This one is IBM, International Business Machine. I own one share, 143.90. This is Tencent, TCEHY. I own one share, 49.27. This is Activision Blizzard, ATVI, one share, 45.75. This one is down 3%. Let's see. Oh, this one is because this morning I think Apple is investing more into their video game platform, which they have revealed during their reveal in credit card. So I think the other gaming sector is down as well, such as EA or TTWO and all that fun stuff. Next one is another gaming company, Nintendo NTDOY, on one share, 37.95. Um, Moving on to the consumer sector, this is Procter and Gamble, which is household services, not services, products. I own one share, 105.73. I sold this one before because I was afraid they're at their all-time high, but I decided to buy it back because I don't think this is gonna give quite pullback with their performance. This is really strange market. I'm up another 2% on this one, which I just entered around here somewhere. But this one really is strong. I really like it. Procter and Gamble, really strong company. Next one to my new addition to portfolio is TSLA, Tesla. I own one share, 266.26, and Tor Industry. This is another new one to my portfolio that I haven't mentioned. This is an RV company. I decided to add this because I noticed that in my portfolio, I still don't have a small cap, a strong company. So this one is, as you can take a look at here, they are almost $4 billion company. So it's really smart. This is simply an RV business, recreational vehicles. They got several strong subsidiaries here, and they majorly work. The brand is more popular in the North America, and I also love camping. I see a lot of their products everywhere. And also as the spring break and summer season, I think recreational and entertainment segments should perform better than the other time. So this one, technical wise, well, it could drop all the way here, but they make like quite a pressure on upside. So I do think that this is bullish. My target is like around here, 93. So let's see how it's gonna happen. The report is quite stagnant, so let's see what's gonna happen. They also have dividend, small one, only 1.5%. I don't know if that's accurate. Next one is the beverage company, PepsiCo PEP. I own one share, 123.66. BUD, another beverage brewing company, and Anheuser-Busch InBev, one share, 89.11. Moving to healthcare industry. This is new addition to my portfolio is the United Health UNH. This one I noticed that I think the news is about Sanders hitting up on the medical segments, and also the federal on the hills are playing with the drug price, not playing, restructuring, more like the word to say. So they got hit pretty bad here. It was at once hit that what is it, the 52 weeks low. And if you take a look at 5-year performance, it's really strong. They also offer dividend, not quite high because of a growth that they perform from the chart, only 1.3% if that's accurate. So not so good performance here, because fundamental issues that they have. But let's see what they're gonna do. This one also report earnings tomorrow before open in the market. Apple 16 pre-market. I just grabbed one share, close to the all-time low, 230 around right now. I think I bought it last Friday. So I've been playing a lot of option on this one. I'm very very profitable playing option on this one. Literally all in here is a win on option playing. The chart is pretty predictable, something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna own one share. It is a blue chip stock, really strong, really nice performance. Next one is J&J. On one share, $136.52. ABBV, one share, $81.03. BMY, Bristol Myers Squibb. This one is, I have one share, 46.40. Still waiting on their work on acquiring Celgene, which they have win against the Starboard last time. Let's see how they're gonna work. This one is also hitting at low technical wise. But they have a hefty dividend. I think like 4 or 5%. This one is not accurate. They got 74 billion asset market capitalization. This one is CVS. I'm down like 6% of it. I have one share, 54.40. I like this one because of their acquisition of Aetna, which is the insurance company that they acquired around last year, late 2018, where they completed it. So they're at all-time low there. If you take a look at, but I still believe this has more downside to go. I'm still just holding to it. Um, my target's like 45, 46. I don't know. I'm probably gonna double down later on that price if that were to happen. Moving on to the financial sector, I have here JPM, a banking company, JP Morgan Chase, one share. Oh shoot, 109. Oh, I added this one back. I caught it I think before it jumped. I bought it right here, 100 something. Let me look just in case. Yeah, I bought and sell stuff. See, right there, it's 101. I swing, sell, swing, sell because I need the funds to play calls, option play sometimes. But yeah, they were reporting earnings. Really nice report there. Last Friday, well above estimates, so really strong. This one, Wells Fargo, WFC, one share 46.77, also a banking company. This one I think missed on revenue on Friday, but I say why not buy the dip? So I did buy the dip in this morning today, up 45. I mean up 90 cents, 1.96% on one share. Moving on to the last one, is my energy sector is CVX Chevron, one share $120.01. This one dropped because they have story because they're acquiring, I forgot what it's called, Anador, I forgot that it's ticker symbol APC. They're acquiring ticker symbol APC, so it's pretty huge deal. They sort of overpaid, but not too much. Like 33 billion dollar deal. But Alex Chevron, they have really strong balance sheet, really strong financial, and that's the main reason I purchased this for my energy sector. However, this is what you want to take a look at sometimes. Good balance sheet, are highly likely to acquire companies since they have the ability to acquire that company other than competing with their other sectors who are more indebted and aren't able to expand their businesses. So this is why one reason I like CVX. It's just the fundamental that they acquire. One more thing that makes drop in price, like 5% is here. Yeah. And this one is just my watch list. I have SPY. This one is to track the S&P 500, Apple, and Amazon, both to track the big movement that happened on S&P 500. And JD, this is JD. I sold this one. This is used to be one of my services company, but I think I'm good with Alibaba. Keeping it simple and nice. So this is one more time, quick, slow scroll. If you want to take a look at it easier, I put it in a sector-wise, and that is it. That's my update on portfolio. Yeah, looking forward to what's gonna happen more in the market for the next 3 weeks. A lot of things gonna happen, and I'll update you guys later. All right, cheers out.